Self-practice 4.10 question 2. Evaluate each of the following without using a calculator. Okay, let's look at A. So let's check the base, log 3, log 3, log 3. So all the base are same, so we just have to work with the numbers here. Okay, so if all base same, okay. So here you have to remember, if this is times divide, right, then you can simplify. But if you have plus, you can't simplify them all into one log. So what we have to do is, we have to split. So 21 is 7 times 3. So I can write 7 times 3. 18 will be 6 times 3. And 14 will be 7 times 2. Now we can separate it. So times here we can make it into plus. Okay, all these times we can make it into plus. So I can say log 3 7 plus log 3 3 plus log 3 6 plus log 3 3 minus log 3 7 plus log 3 2. Okay, it's then minus, so you have to use bracket here, minus the whole thing lah. Right, let's simplify. So log 3 7 minus log 3 7 cancels off. Then we have log 3 3 plus log 3 3, so we have 2 log 3 3 plus log 3 6 minus log 3 2. Okay, so log 3 3 is the same, right? So this will become 2 times 1. Okay, here we can't do we can't minus it because it's 6 and 2. So what we can do is, we can try to break this 6 down further. So we can say log 3 times 2 minus log 3 2. So 2 times 1 is just 2. This becomes log 3 3 plus log 3 2 minus log 3 2. Okay, so log 3 3 is 1. Log 3 2 minus log 3 2 cancels off. So we get 2 plus 1 is 3. This will be our final answer. Right, let's try B. Two log 4 2 minus 1/2 log 4 9 plus log 4 12. Okay, so when we have numbers in front, we can bring it up here, become power. Same thing here lah. So this will look like this. Log 4 2 square. Okay, I brought this to the power of 2. Minus 1/2, so I bring as power. So I get log 4 9 power 1/2 plus log 4 12. Right, 2 square is just 4, so I can write this as log 4 4. 9 power 1/2 is the square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So this one I can say log 4 3. Okay, you can just do using your calculator if you want. 9 power 1/2. You get 3 lah. Okay, and then this log 4 12, we can split it into 4 times 3. Right, log 4 4 is just 1. Log 4 3 we don't know. Let's leave it. Okay, so this one we split lah. Times means it will become plus. So I can say log 4 4 plus log 4 3. Oh, now I know why. So negative log 43 plus log 43 cancels off. And this log 44 will become 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Done. Okay, let's try C. Log 2 7 plus log 2 12 minus log 2 21. Okay, all the bases are same, 2 2 2. So now 7 you can't do much, so it's just basically log 2 7. 12 can be 3 times 4, or we can stick to the earlier numbers. No, cannot lah, sorry. 21 you can make it 7 times 3. We can use something related to 7 lah. Okay, but here 12 we can just do 4 times 3 minus log 2 7 times 3. So this becomes log 2 7, log 2 4 plus log 2 3 minus log 2 7 plus log 2 3. Okay, so log 2 3 minus log 2 3 cancels off. Log 2 7 minus log 2 7 cancels off, which leaves us with log 2 4. And 4 is 2 square. So I can write this as 2 square. Then I can bring the 2 down here. So I'll get 2, I'll get 2 log 2 2. And log 2 2 is just 1. So 2 times 1 is simply 2. That's it.